Curry leaves for white hair. You will need a handful of curry leaves, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, boil the curry leaves with coconut oil to prepare an oil solution. Set the oil aside to cool. Once it has cooled, strain the oil and massage it into your scalp and work it through the length of your hair. After massaging for about 15 minutes, leave the oil on for an additional 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can leave the oil in overnight. Wash off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and finish with conditioner. How often? 2-3 times a week. Why this works? Curry leaves help restore the melanin pigment in your hair follicles. It is also a rich source of vitamin B, which is a vital hair growth and pigmentation vitamin.
If you like my videos, give it thumbs up and share with your friends.